Hello YouTube, this is again a Lego gumball machine, and if you think what the hell is this, you just can pull it off and then you just can put your marbles in. That's really easy. Just want to explain before I'm gonna get started. You got this. Yeah, now will nothing work because there are no marbles in. Coin slice. Yeah, the gumball will come out, and I'll make this so the coin will not fall out immediately. Yeah, just like that. Then I'm gonna put the marbles in, so I get this off. Just click it. Just grab 4 gumballs. Close it again. Real easy. 4 coins. Your rope is 10 cents. I don't know America, but it's not all too big. So now the mob's in. You think you can just push this. Nothing will work. So yeah. But if you got 10 cents, put it in. There's your first marble. So that's really easy. Okay. Shaking, you have to shake every time so everything will fall good. Again, just a coin now. You cannot do anything with it, but if you put a coin in, again a marble will come out. Everything shake good. 10 cents again. Sometimes the coin has to be good, and it's not good, so again a marble. Pull back. Coin. Yeah. Again a coin. Yeah. And again a marble. This was really easy. And yeah, if you got now the back, just pull it so you can hear the coins. Pull it off, and then just shake out your 4 coins you used. So just like that. And yeah, then you got your coins. Just click that back on. Like so. That was my gumball machine. If I get like 100 subscribers, I will make how to make this one with the back with this on it. Maybe you don't want to, then you just don't have to. This is the pusher, and yeah, that was like so. So, bye.